Babe, that's the burn.
You crying? And I'm back with the video, man. As you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, yes, we are back with the pranks, man. I know I never did the pranks in a while. You know what I'm saying? This is the perfect time. You know, this is the best time to come back with a prank. And I know I'm back with a banger. As you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, yes, I'm back with a banger. I don't care. I'm going crazy. I'm going all in. First of all, guys, I am outside. But I just come outside because it's more light, you know what I'm saying? It's beautiful outside, it's beautiful. But yeah, as you guys see by the title, man, I will be doing a prank with Siobhan. She would not be expecting this at all, because like I said, we haven't did a prank in so long. And I know a lot of you guys been asking me when the prank's gonna come in, when the prank this and that's coming. So finally your time is here. So I need to see all you guys in the comment section. But yeah, so as you guys see by the title, I will be doing an icy hot prank, but different. Put the icy out on Babe's hair. So if you guys know Babe, she has a website. She's selling hair and stuff like that. So it's the best time to do it. No, I don't know what here. I don't know if the what's thing's gonna mess up. I hope not, but I don't care because I'm still gonna know. You know, your boy love to take risks. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. So basically, when Shy comes, she's not here right now. That's something in my intro. So whenever she comes, I'm not sure if it's gonna be today or tomorrow. I don't know. So I might be in different clothes. So I might put back on the same clothes. I don't know. But whenever she comes, you know what I'm saying? She normally takes her wig off. You know what I'm saying? Wig off. She coming for the weekend, so she normally take a wig off, take a shower. So it's daytime. No, I probably won't get to do this video until like nighttime. I don't know, but at least I did it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you know, I'm going with you. Whenever she take her wig off, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put icy on it, like on the very, you know, what they call? What I call it? The weave part, you know, the weave edges part, the little shape up part. Look up the part we're going to matter of fact, me put on the whole thing. When she put my head, it does bonar. You know what I mean? No business, badness. Alright, so see right outside there, so I don't mind the wing, you know what I mean? See icy at them, yeah? Icy at, you see me? Extra strength, which part? Extra strength. I'm going all crazy. If you guys don't know, Shy did a prank on me months ago. She did a icy that prank on me, and I never got her back. And payback is a B. I'm gonna get you back. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys like and subscribe, man. I'm gonna turn this camera back on whenever she gets here and whenever I feel it's time, the best time to do it. Now I do need to hide the SD card because, you know, she sometimes edits and I don't want her to see this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So y'all guys will stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. Alright guys, it's time. Shy just got here, like, I wanna say it's the same day. It's literally like 2 hours after I did that video, the first intro. So I need to hurry up because I just had to like make up for her to go downstairs to the car to pick up something. So I got like 2 minutes. I know. I need to hurry up. You know what I'm saying? Watching my boy Nicky Mercs, you feel me? But yeah, let me hurry up. So guys, this is the where did I put the let me hurry up. I gotta hurry up, man. Where did I, oh guys, this is, so she just got here. You know what I'm saying? This is the, what is this? What is this? This is the, let me mute this TV. I need to hurry up. This is the wig or weave or whatever the hell this is. I don't know what this is. But yeah, this is the wig. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I need to find the icy eye. I need to find the icy eye. I hide this shit right here so she wanna see it. Oh, come on, work with me. I need to hurry up. So guys, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Give me 1 second. So guys, what I set out downstairs for is for, I think is our book, but I make sure I hide the book. Come on, why this thing not working? Come on. I make sure I hide the book. Bro, why this not working? Bro, it's not working, man. Ooh, this is a lot. I hope she don't smell it. Ooh, this is a lot, yo. Ooh, this is a lot. I got this. I put too much. Guys, give me 1 second. Let me fix this really quick. Okay, guys, this is how it look right now. I'm rushing so much. I'm gonna turn the fan on. Hope that this can at least go away a little bit, but it doesn't show that much. It's not smelling. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this right here. Like this. Like this. Cover this up. I'll put the camera somewhere up, guys, and then hopefully it's good reaction. So like, comment, subscribe. Alright, guys. I hope she doesn't see this enough. I play the waiting game now.
One eternity later. 3 days later. 12 seconds later.
I found my notebook.
Where you calling that?
In the car.
Oh.
What you doing?
Scratch your table.
I'm gonna scratch the table with the keys.
What do you know you're gonna scratch the table with the key?
Wait, it's literally nothing.
Well, you don't do that. You're gonna scratch the table up. Let's leave it. When you gonna put your wig on?
He called me Big Brr.
What?
I was just listening to that song. He called me Big Brr. Come make this brr.
What is that?
It's a song, babe.
Freaky song?
I think so, yeah. Where my lip balm at?
You're right here.
No, I don't want that one.
It's the same the lip balm.
It is, but those have a different texture. There you go, right there. Alright. I'm gonna go put my hair on. I'll be back.
Okay. Where you going?
The restroom.
So why you need to be back for?
Good. See what you need.
Yeah. Oh, I got a new.
Forgot my hat on.
Girl,
Jesus Christ.
you need to put that on. You look like Avagaskar, son.
Who?
Huh? You need to put that on.
Whatever. But you gotta comb and brush and stuff?
Huh?
Because I forgot to bring all my stuff. So I'm gonna have to finesse this some kind of way.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, but it's a what's the name?
What?
A bang wig, so I don't really need to.
It's a bang wig.
I'm gonna have a bang.
What is a bang wig?
I'm gonna have a bang.
What is a bang wig? That's a bang.
It's gonna have a bang, babe. You don't know what a bang is?
No.
No, it's a bang. I know it's a bang, or it's a bang wig.
I'm gonna have a wig on.
Alright,
Have a bang.
what do you do with me seats?
Jesus. Alright.
What's wrong?
I gotta push this back some. Great. I like somebody auntie.
Let me see it. So a bang wig, you don't need to do nothing down or anything?
Not really. So hot in here. Damn.
What?
What the? Did I do something wrong? Babe.
What?
Okay, maybe I'm tripping.
Nothing wrong with you.
Javon.
What?
What you?
What's wrong?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Baby, this stuff is burning.
What's wrong?
Javon.
What's wrong?
What you do?
What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you, bro?
Babe, this stuff burn.
What's burned? What burned?
My brain. Oh, I thought there was something on the wig.
What's wrong with this girl, bro? You got it?
No,
You
no.
help you?
Ooh.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
This burn, what you do?
What happened?
Man, did you mess up?
What happened?
I feel it in my vagina.
What? Your feet in your what?
Oh, dude.
Babe, what
What did you
happened?
do? What did you do? What
I
did
didn't
you
do nothing. What happened?
It burned, babe.
What burns?
It feels like my whole stuff is open.
What happened? What happened to your forehead?
Ooh. Man, what you doing to my wig?
I did nothing to your wig. What you doing?
Where? You ain't got no shampoo. Oh, oh. It's in my eye. It's in my eye.
Man, I don't know what's wrong with you, but dang, you just throw everything on the ground.
Oh.
What happened?
It burned.
What burned? What happened?
Babe, that's the burn.
You crying? It smells hot up in here. Hey, babe, you finna waste my hand towel, man.
I'm going to yourself. Javon, you just opened up my whole doggone life. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
I thought it was the gum.
You want me to tell you what I did?
What'd you do?
I put icy out.
You put icy out on my wig?
Yeah, I put icy out.
Javon, that's human hair. Why would you do that?
It's human hair, so it probably gonna help you yeah, just grow.
I'm gonna grow your edges.
Hey.
I'm gonna grow your, oh my
Hey, come on for me. Come on for me. Come. Take it
What?
Take it out to that Batman thing there, you know. Stop hitting me.
Why you put that on my
Stop.
wig?
Can I hurt you? No, though.
No.
Can I hurt you? No, though. Chill, no, man.
Why you put that on my wig? I thought it was the stuff that I left on there because when I don't wash my wigs as soon as I take them off, I thought that was the stuff that's on there, the glue and stuff.
Did it burn?
Like it was like well, like cold and then it got hot. Oh my gosh.
That was a little light prank I did on you. Icy hot. Boy, you look like a tomboy right there.
What is it?
Well, guys, I think I got her.
No, you
I
didn't.
think I got her.
No, you didn't.
No, like jumping jacks she was just doing.
No, I don't remember that.
I think I got her, so do you guys agree?
My doggone scalp still feel cold.
Your scalp? What scalp? You ain't got no scalp
My
left.
head.
Think I got her, guys, so
No.
further ado.
Javon, what I'm gonna put on? That was the wig I was gonna put on.
Huh? You ain't got to wear no wig? I was gonna end my video, bro. Chill out. I'll show you animal abuse.
You better watch the juice.
Well, I don't know what you're gonna wear in the street, but I ain't going nowhere. You didn't look like that. Anyways, guys, I think I got it, man. So I'm going. Why you coming up to me close this close for? I'm going to end this video right here. Make sure you got. Come on for me. Come on for me. Come on for me. Come on for me, no man.
Why you put that on my wig, Javon? That's the only one that I had over here.
Babe, you remember when you put the ice hat on me?
No.
In my drawers? In my drawers.
So?
Me could have do the same thing back to you, but me never do it. Me give you the benefit. I don't put it on your head.
That's stuff.
See, look, I said, me have some sympathy for you. Back suit, ungrateful. I should have. Watch. You got your middle finger. Anyways, guys, I don't want to make this video too long. Make sure you like, and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? I think I got it. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And I'll catch you guys. Shut up. I'll catch you. Shut up.
You shut up.
I will catch you guys in the next video. Lego. Bill, no?